Hello guys and welcome to Tech India channel. Today we will talk about an important WhatsApp issue which the people are facing most in today's time. The WhatsApp dealing message problem. Yes, I have personally experienced this problem. That's why I am making the video so that you can get an best solution for this problem. The WhatsApp dealing message is an problem when we send a message to someone. It takes time of a minute or hours. So what is the solution? I will give different solutions so that one of them can be work with you. So let's get into the video, but please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video gets you some help, please also like this video. The first solution for WhatsApp dealing message is to log out from your WhatsApp web. Yes, so it takes your too much data and as well it supports dealing messages problem. So I will suggest you, if you are facing this problem, you should firstly log out from WhatsApp web and you should see if messages are going or not. If you didn't get solution for this problem, we will jump out to our next solution. The next solution is to go to your WhatsApp settings and firstly force stop the WhatsApp. Then secondly, you have to clear your caches of WhatsApp. Now again restart your WhatsApp and try to send a message if this problem gets solutions. If your problem is up to now solved, now we will jump to third solution. The third solution I have personally tried is disabling my both the SIM. If you have two SIMs in your phone and the SIM network which you have data in it, just enable it and just keep the disabled SIM in which you don't have the data and just enable the SIM and start your data. Now again restart your WhatsApp and just try to send the message if the message is gone. If this solution is also doesn't work, just jump out to the last solution of this problem which I have personally experienced and it also worked for me. Before saying you the last solution, I will just suggest you, if please check your network or change your network. It may be a problem of network, so just reach outside if you are using a mobile data or connect your Wi-Fi. Maybe you have updated your WhatsApp. This is the main problem which I also faced. The new version of WhatsApp also create problems when we update it. As when I updated my WhatsApp, from next day it goes on deleting my messages. None of my message was going hours and hours. I was just waiting. I was just thinking that it was my network problem. I changed many of my networks, but WhatsApp dealing messages was not going. But wait, this is the main thing. Don't uninstall your WhatsApp. What you have to do is just remain as where you are. Then go to Google Chrome. Just type WhatsApp APK download. I will give you the link in the description. I go to Google Chrome, then I typed WhatsApp APK download and then I choose one of the website and that was Softanic website. Then I selected the older version of my WhatsApp. Then I downloaded it and I installed on my new version of WhatsApp. I didn't uninstalled my old version, but I installed an old version on a new version, by which my data also have been not lost and my all messages were sent again. So just I installed the old version of my WhatsApp and then I restart my mobile phone. Then all messages were going all right and this problem solution got fixed. Hope one of this solution also worked for you. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.